In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable and use Google Chrome flags step by step so you can unlock hidden features and test useful browser options in just a few minutes. Chrome flags are experimental settings that can improve speed, add new tools, or help you customize your browsing experience. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click inside the address bar at the top of the browser. Type chrome://flags and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Chrome flags page where you can see a long list of experimental features that are currently available in your browser. Now, before changing anything, it's a good idea to know exactly what you're looking for. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Use that search bar to find a specific feature you want to enable. For example, if you want to try parallel downloading, just type that into the search field. Chrome will quickly filter the results and show you the matching flag. Once you find the flag you want, look at the drop-down menu on the right side of it. It will usually be set to default. Click that drop-down menu and change it to Enabled. This tells Chrome to turn that feature on. After you enable the flag, Chrome will usually show a relaunch button at the bottom right of the screen. Click that button to restart Chrome. This step is important because the changes will not take effect until the browser relaunches. Once Chrome restarts, the flag you enabled should now be active and ready to use. From here, you can go back to the chrome://flags page anytime to search for more experimental features and turn them on the same way. Just keep in mind that Chrome flags are experimental, so some features may improve your browser experience, while others may not be fully stable. That's why it's best to enable one flag at a time and test how it works before changing too many settings at once. And that's it. You now know how to enable and use Google Chrome flags. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.